Morning, it's March 5, 2015. I got a path shoveled here to our wood pile. I think it's about 20 degrees, supposed to be going down to 0 by tomorrow morning, maybe 1 below. Vine Grove has 19 inches of snow officially. My office, we closed today thanks to the board, our board's new emergency closure policy they put in last year. We got our neighbor, fortunately, got a tractor and a plow. He's down there plowing Pickerel Lane. Still snowing pretty hard. You can see the drifts up against our house. Chad and Rachel's Subaru, which I'm kind of glad we didn't sell it yet. I got to put a battery in it, but Kathy needs to go to Lexington. It may get her there better than taking her Ford Fusion. But it's beautiful. Sure reminds me a lot of Colorado, but it's pretty here in north central Kentucky. Second major snowstorm in about 3 weeks, I guess. We had to close for a day and a half a few weeks ago, but we didn't get near as much snow as this.